Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2011 Mercedes ML350 CDI 4Matic blue efficiency in metallic black finish with a 20-inch of Mercedes alloy wheels. All four wheels are in good condition. The vehicle's got side steps, privacy glass and roof rails, front and rear parking sensors. As you can see, it's in lovely condition, very shiny. It's got electric tailgate as well. Split folding rear seats and a luggage cover. A 12-volt power outlet in the boot as well. There is the button for the electric tailgate. The tailgate can be opened by the remote key as well. In the front view of the vehicle, it's got front forks. It's got matching half leather and Alcantara interior with grey stitches on the sides. 5 headrests, ISOFIX watch outside preparation. A rear center armrest with some cup holders. Very good size of a legroom. A 12-volt power outlet at the back, and for your safety it's got front, side and rear airbags. There are the side ones, and there we have the rear airbags. I'm not sure if the camera can catch that. On the door sides we have some leather with the stitches. Rear speakers on the rear doors, child lock, so here we have the electric windows and 40 mirrors. It's got twin electric seats with electric lumbar support. As you can see, the condition of the seats is lovely. It's got auto headlights as well, and it is with a 7G-Tronic automatic transmission. Over there, it's got paddle shifts for manual drive, multi-function steering wheel, the voice commands on the right hand side. There we have the cruise control. Then in the middle, it's got some cup holders, some lights, lighting, a center armrest, some storage department on the rear, heated seats, ESP traction control, air conditioning with a dual zone climate control, a satellite navigation with the traffic information, Bluetooth connectivity, multi-CD changer up to 6 discs, FM radio and a SD card slot in there as well. And it's got media interface, I believe. Yeah, media interface is in the glove box. We also have the lock and wheel nut and the user manual in the glove box. Then it's got a, so basically you can plug in iPod connectivity, USB or auxiliary. So over there we have the music register, which is the hard drive where you can store your music. I guess it is with 4 GB of storage. Yeah, it's got 4 GB of free memory for your music. And it's got auto rear view mirror. And let me show you the condition of the passenger seat. There is nothing wrong with the seat, this is just the Alcantara. Looks like that. This was the video walk around of the 2011 Mercedes ML350 CDI Turbo Diesel. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.